Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I install my hair like this. If you want to see how you can get this look, then just keep watching. And don't forget to check out the links to the hair. They'll be down below. This hair is from Ali Pro Hair. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so basically I'm going to reapply this wig so I can just on my hair right now. So I'm going to basically push all the hair back. I'm going to use some water. I'm just going to spray the front of it so we can like get all the hair out of the way and get it ready for like the glue and everything. So in that, I'm gonna comb the hair back. Okay, I'm gonna use this Paul Mitchell mousse and I'm gonna put it at the front so I can just get it out the way even more, so it can like stay out of the way. And I really love this mousse. It's so nice. And it smells really good. It smells like coconut. I'm just gonna slap that on. As you see, it already looks good. This wig literally could be a glueless unit. I've worn glueless before. So yeah. But that's not what we're gonna do today. We're gonna glue it down. I'm gonna show you guys how I install my hair usually. See? Look, it's going so low. No glue, no nothing. And it's like clips at the back so you can make it like tight onto your head and it literally can be glueless. Then I'm gonna take some alcohol. This is 91% alcohol and a paper towel. I'm gonna just wipe the corner of my head off, like where I'm gonna lay it. So like right here. I'm riding with no brain, bitch, I'm out of it. Do you try on all your nights like this? Okay, so you could use the ball cap method, but I don't. I just like, you know, like put the stocking cap on my head. And then, yeah, I'm gonna lay it like that. I'm using my Boho Active Glue. Yep, and it's really, this little bottle is $30. I don't know where the hairstylists are getting the bigger bottles, but I kind of want that so I can just have it for a really, really, really long time. Even though this lasts me a really long time, but you know, I'd rather have that. So you want to make sure like all of your edges are like kind of inside. So like this is cool. And then I'm gonna pull the hair back and I'm gonna dab it on. So you just like dot it on like that. I put it on the perimeter and like the stocking cap, and I spread it out with my finger to be like really, really thin. You can use any tool for this, whatever smoothing tool you want to, but I just use my finger. And then you wait for it to dry clear. And you see this part is already clear. And the rest, you can use a blow dryer also if you want to speed up the process. So yeah. And then you do another layer. Today I'm only going to do probably 2 layers because I don't really want this on for that long actually. So yeah. Okay, so then I'm gonna lay this side, even though like this part is still white. I don't know. I never really get these sides to lay to be as like clear as the front or whatever. So yeah, just don't worry about that. And then I'll just go in and then go in and press it down. So then just gonna actually go back a little bit. So and I use my comb and I'll press it like that. I'm just gonna part kind of like a row. And I'm gonna blow dry this part. And we're gonna press it again. And then we're gonna go and fix the little pieces like this. Still coming up, so put a little bit of glue there and then spread it out. Dry a little bit and then press it down. And let that dry, and then we're gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. I'm just gonna flip this hair back so it can work really.
Middle finger up for the system. Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches fuck up and dismiss them. I ain't really here to take no pictures. Middle finger up for the system. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Hold up. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Right with you. Pop me a missile. Hey, take me a picture. Get right with you. I'ma get right with you. Like Christmas. White like tissue. White, straight to official. Drink, cut like scissors. Cut, boy got wisdom. Fucking on vixens. Smack, whole game itching. Fucking with the wrong one tripping. Better run a stitch for the tension. 100 round drawn. Listen, fucking run the end up missing. Get him knocked out for a ticket. Now my young nigga do the sentence. Whip up the bike, win it. Pick up the bike and she get no penny. Rockstar living life, Lenny. You can do better, never settle. Keep a Beretta, can't see the pressure. I take the plug, mellow. Which way? That way, tell him. Hold up, yeah. Get right with you, I'ma get right with you. Bad bitches fuck up.
Okay, so now we can get to like styling the hair. So I'll take my water bottle and just spray all over the hair. And this hair is from Abby Curl Hair. It's their wig, and I'll leave like all the details to the wig down below if you want to check it out. So yeah. So now I'm gonna brush through the hair. Okay, and I'm gonna apply this curling stuff. This is my favorite thing to put in hair now because it makes it like hold the curls in, but it's just like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like really creamy and it holds the curls in, and it smells really good. It just, I don't know. It's really good for keeping the curls looking nice for a really, really long time. Curls look nice, and then we're gonna go in and do the front with our baby hairs and stuff. So I'm gonna take this mousse again and apply it all over the top of the hair. But these are gonna be my baby hairs, so I'm gonna just go and cut them like about this. We're gonna style it with the mousse. And I go in with my spoolie. This is like my Benefit, this is called Precisely My Brow Pencil spoolie. And I just use this now as my like edge thing. I'm taking the same mousse. We're gonna style it. I'm gonna wrap this headscarf around my head for a little while. Okay, then I'm gonna blow dry on heat. Okay, you can leave your baby hair like this, but I'm just gonna comb it out. Okay, so this is the final look. Basically, this is how I lay my hair, and this is what the hair looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.